Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome to Soul Spree Motivation, where we help you unlock your highest potential. If you're ready to manifest your dream life, stay tuned because today I'll be sharing a powerful step-by-step guide to turn your desires into reality. First things first, what is manifestation? Simply put, manifestation is the process of bringing your thoughts and desires into physical reality. It's not magic. It's a combination of mindset, energy, and inspired action. The universe responds to the energy you put out, so let's make sure it's aligned with your dream life. Step 1 is clarity. You need to be crystal clear on what you want. Grab a journal and write down your dream life in vivid detail. Your career, relationships, health, lifestyle, everything. Now close your eyes and visualize it as if it's happening right now. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, and see the details. The more real it feels, the more powerful the manifestation. Step 2, affirmations. Your beliefs shape your reality, so let's reprogram your mind for success. Repeat powerful affirmations daily like, I am worthy of my dreams, abundance flows effortlessly to me, or I am living my best life. Say them with conviction and belief. Step 3 is taking inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. What small steps can you take today that align with your dream? If you want to be a writer, start writing. If you want financial freedom, learn about wealth building. Align your actions with your vision, and the universe will meet you halfway. And finally, trust the process. Sometimes we get so caught up in when and how that we block our manifestations. Surrender, believe it's already yours, and let go of doubt. The universe works in divine timing. Now it's your turn. Comment below what you're manifesting, and let's create a powerful energy together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more powerful manifestation tips. Until next time, keep believing and keep manifesting.